Wow, look at that Vietnamese baked banana cake with a tempting red finishing look with the sweet and nutritious raisins. What a perfect tasty dessert for an afternoon tea. Join me in the kitchen today to make this gorgeous cake. Let's begin. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Ingredients you will need: 2/3 cups of raisins, Asian dwarf bananas, red wine, sugar, coconut milk, half a cup of yogurt, about 7 ounces of bread, a tablespoon of butter, 1 egg, and 1/3 cup of rice flour. For bananas, make sure you choose ripe ones, peel and slice thinly. And then transfer into a large bowl and add 50 grams of sugar and 50 ml of red wine. Leave to marinate overnight in the fridge. The longer the bananas are marinated in the sugar, the more beautiful the red color will come out when baked. After one night, the bananas will release quite some liquid. Transfer into a pan and saute for about 10 minutes. Stir regularly, yet slightly. Now in a mixing bowl, combine the coconut milk, yogurt, rice flour, and 1 beaten egg. Stir well till homogeneous. Next, tear the bread and drop into the mixture. Get your kids involved, I'm sure they will love. Now put on the gloves and mix well. Make sure the bread absorbs the liquid mixture and soften. You can chew old bread, which is drier, so they will absorb the liquid faster and dissolve more easily. Then add the raisins and the cooked bananas to the bowl and stir well. Line the baking pan with some parchment paper and slightly butter the bottom and the inside of the pan. Transfer the butter over and use a spatula to spread the butter evenly. Last but not least, place the rest of the sauteed banana slices all over the surface of the cake. Preheat your oven at 170 degrees Celsius and cover the baking pan with aluminum foil and bake for about 45 minutes, and then remove the aluminum foil and bake for another 45 minutes. At the end of the time, remember to have a check on your cake. The bananas around the border of the pan will tend to turn red and scorch first. At that time, you cut out a piece of aluminum foil and cut a hole in the middle and cover the cake so that it covers the rims, and the banana in the middle will have some more time to turn red and golden evenly. When done, remove the cake out of the oven and leave to cool. Then store it in the refrigerator until the next day to size the best flavor of the cake. Wow, it looks so gorgeous with the beautiful red color, and it smells so good. I'm sure your whole family will totally admire your cooking talent if you give it a try. Don't forget to send me some photos if you do. Thank you for watching. Bye!